Good evening and welcome to this news coverage of a trial set to start on the 27th. This is the horrendous tale about an arson at a college. The trial, as I said, will begin on the 27th of April, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But what is this case about? It's about the Mays dormitory fire, where Chris Monroe, a 23-year-old resident of Erie County, has been charged with arson in the first degree and felony murder. The charges stem from an incident on May 19, 2020, when Monroe allegedly set fire to May's dormitory, resulting in the death of Shawana Bowman, a resident of the dormitory. According to the charges filed by the grand jury, Monroe is accused of maliciously and intentionally burning an occupied dwelling, administering gasoline on or near the door and hallway to room 321 of May's dormitory and setting it on fire. This act resulted in significant damage to the dormitory. The exact circumstances leading to Bowman's death has not been disclosed, but is believed to have been a direct result of the fire set by Monroe. The authorities had not yet released any official statements regarding Monroe's possible motives for the alleged arson. However, the charges indicate that the act was committed maliciously, leading to the loss of life and extensive damage to property. Jordan Tyson, a recent graduate of Spartan Conservatory and friend of Bowman's, told the Erie Gazette that Chris Monroe and Shawana Bowman were in competition with one another at the school, both academically and in athletics. Tyson claims that Monroe had recently begun to send Bowman scary texts. The Superior County District Attorney's Office has expressed its commitment to seeking justice for the family of Shawana Bowman and holding Monroe accountable for his alleged actions. Monroe is currently in custody awaiting trial. Anyone with information relevant to the case is urged to contact the Superior State Police Department. Picture shows the possible suspect. But now we have the alleged suspect. Then we need the jury. For this trial, we will need six people who are willing to be in a StreamYard studio following the presentation by the state DA, who will be presenting his view of the case, what he believes happened, and battling him will be the defense attorney presenting why he believes his client is innocent. The court will be ruled by the Honorable MLS Law, and you can be a part of this as a juror, where the only request we have is that you join my Discord, where there will be a jury questionnaire. Fill that out, and if you are chosen to be in the jury pool on Saturday the 20th, also at 2 p.m., we will do a voir dire where we question potential jurors. Both the defense and the state will be able to strike people they feel wouldn't be a good juror, and hopefully we'll seat six people who on the 27th at 2 p.m. will be in a StreamYard studio following the case, and the case will be roughly 1 hour. There will be three witnesses from either side, played by some of your favorite YouTube people, and when that has concluded and the state and the defense have given their closing arguments, there will be a set time where the jury will be in the StreamYard studio deliberating. We will record the deliberations so we can analyze afterwards what works, what didn't work, what arguments did you feel like, just to try and replicate what we're always watching in a trial, and we don't really know what goes on in the jury room. We will get the verdict before we discuss how you reach that agreement. If the, well, less than stellar defense attorney did a bad job, he will, or it was just because the amazing district attorney had all the facts, showed everyone how great a lawyer he could be. No. It's just a mock trial because we're just laymen. The only one who has any understanding of the law is Dave as the judge. Well, and the suspect is played by the expert who also went to law school. But still, we're trying to show how a trial could be run and what arguments we would be trying to get out there. If you think that could be fun trying to be a juror, of course you have to do all the normal jury thing, presumption of innocence, and try to stick to your story, try to stick to your conviction. If you feel that could be something you want to do, go in, join the Discord. It's in the members tab. If you're not a member, contact Whiskey, Iris, or Iris, and they will provide you with a link to their Discord. On the Discord, there is a questionnaire where you can fill it out, and if you will be in the jury pool, you will get a message from us where we tell you, please show up Saturday, 2 p.m. on the 20th, where we will do the voir dire. That's just where we ask some questions from the answers you've given us. If you want to play along, please do. It could be fun to try and do a mock trial instead of always sitting here and yelling at how other people should run their cases. Now it's up to me and Shizzy to show we know what we're doing or we absolutely don't know what we're doing. And it's just going to be a fun 2 Saturdays. And we'll try to keep it short, maybe a couple of hours. So if you want to do it, sign up and let's have some fun. Let's try and get all us laymen in on it together to see, could we potentially ever be any good at what we're doing? But thank you so much for watching. Please go sign up, and we'll see you tomorrow or some other day. Thank you for watching.